Good morning. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may SMDC showroom. This is located sa may SM North EDSA. So tara, check natin yung mga units na available. This is our showroom. Pagpasok niyo po. Ayan. Mostly, mga lobbies natin is ganito din po ang style. Pero mas maganda pa. So dito po is a one bedroom unit for Glam Residences. Glam Residences po is located sa may EDSA Camoning. Malapit po siya sa GMA 7 or katabi lang po siya nun mismo. And also, katabi lang din po siya ng MRT Camoning Station. So check po natin yung one bedroom. So dito po makikita nyo is a sample model unit of a one bedroom unit sa may Glam Residences. So dito po is naka interior design na po siya. So dito po pagpasok nyo ng pintuan, meron po tayo ditong kitchen, countertop, and overhead cabinet. Pero this is a sample design lang po. Then dito naman po is yung toilet and bath natin. Yan. Ganito po ang layout. Yan. Ganito po ang layout ng one bedroom unit natin kay Glam Residences. So, pagpasok naman po natin dito, yan, this is the living room area and also the dining. And then, pagpasok ulit natin is, this is the bedroom unit. Okay? So, one bedroom unit po siya. Okay. Actually, mga clients namin na nagpapa-Airbnb. Okay? Pero ganito po ang layout ni one bedroom ng Glam Residences. So, check naman natin yung one bedroom unit with balcony. Okay. So, dito naman po is a one bedroom unit with balcony sa may Glam Residences pa rin po siya. So, tara, check po natin. So, this unit has a square meter po of 26.82 square meter. Okay, so same pa rin po. Pagpasok niyo ng pintuan ng main door, makikita na po natin yung kitchen natin. Okay? So, dito naman po sa isang side is yung toilet and bath natin. Okay? So, this is a sample model unit po na pwede nyo din naman po gayahin yung style niya in case na for investment po ang property ninyo. Like for gusto nyo ipa-rent or gusto nyo ipa-Airbnb. Okay? So, pagpasok natin dito, yan, makikita naman natin living area. Okay, same pa din. And then this is the sa may mga television natin. So dito naman po is yung bedroom unit and also nandito naman po ang balcony. Okay? So, ayan, this is the style of one bedroom or this is the mostly the style ng mga bedroom units na pinapagawa ng mga clients natin especially for Airbnb. So imagine, mag-i-invest ka lang po ng around 17,000 starting monthly. Okay, so para magkaroon ka naman ng unit, you just need to pay at least 30,000 reservation fee. No 5% down payment needed, okay? So imagine, magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong investment. So kailangan mo bang, unlike sa mga other property investment, kailangan mo magbayad ng 50% ng price, 100% ng price para lang makapag-start ka sa real estate business. Pero dito kay SMDC, kailangan mo lang ng reservation fee and at least 17,000 monthly. Okay, that's 0% interest. And also, yung mga balance naman natin mga properties natin is accredited naman tayo sa BDO Banks. Okay, so hindi tayo mahihirapan doon. So, mag-invest na kayo, start nyo na yung real estate business nyo, and I'm happy to assist you. Once again, I'm Renzo Bautista from International Team. Thank you, and I'm happy to go along with your journey to the real estate. Okay? Thank you.